Good morning YouTube. This is my review of Vitanix Health Smartwatch. I will be tearing it down but after we had a look at it. Blood sugar monitor, blood pressure measurement. So this is the box. This is how it came. Yes, the postman was not nice to it, but hey, it wasn't damaged. We have this blood sugar operation. Focus. Anyway, it says what your blood sugar should be and all that lot. Then we got the manual. Smart hand ring manual. Wow. Quality, I tell you. And then the watch itself. So we'll have a look at the back of it first. What's it say? Ceramic case. Vitanix glass. GPS light. 50 meters water resistant. 9.4 millimeter aluminium. We'll get into that towards the end. So let's show you the operation of this. So, got the clock, we've got menus, got heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen. Oh, sorry. Web chat, just what we want. Blood sugar, let's choose that. There we go. Start. It's doing its thing. .3, do it again. .4. Now I noticed that was on my hand, which is not the correct way to measure your blood sugar, but let's make it even worse. We'll put it on the table. Let's do a reading. Here we go. Just thinking about it. Oh look, the table's 4.8. Let's do it again. See how consistent it is. .4. One more. .8. I think my table needs some exercise. So while we're here, we'll do a few other measurements. What we got? Lung function, whatever that is. Come on. This is on a table, don't forget. Oh, it's kidneys, isn't it? Not lungs. Whatever that measurement means. Let's go to something which we know about. No, I don't want that. That. Blood pressure. Let's see if the table's got blood pressure. Taking measurements. Oh, apparently my table's quite healthy now. That's a bonus. Okay, now we've figured out that it basically makes up numbers, and the table is a bit high on sugar, but its blood pressure's fine. Let's have a look inside. I have opened this up just so I knew I could open it up. So let's show you. Here's the back. Showed you before. Aluminium case. Oh, aluminium and ceramic case. So let's take the back off. This came off really easy, by the way. I just used my thumbnail. And what do we have inside? I'll tell you what we got inside. That silver thing there, that's your rumble motor vibrator for messages. Those two wires are for microphone. This part, that's for charging. And this little circuit board here, there we go. That is just an LED board, so there is no sensor whatsoever in this device. The website says don't buy a knockoff, buy it from us. The official Vitanix website, and it's Step by Self is the website and their email. So we just got an LED board, a rumble motor, microphone, battery charger. You can tell it's battery charger. It's got those two little wires, so it's like a wireless charger. So just be a copper coil underneath this piece of sticky stuff. There we go, that's your wireless charger. Now this circuit board, got LEDs on, but I'm not going to say it hasn't got a sensor on until I don't see the sensor. But there's nothing on that side, so let's pull it back a bit. And on the back, there's two power leads and a bit of black plastic, probably heatsink. So all that is an LED board. Got a good sized battery, I have to admit. But by looking at this, I would say it's a cheap 15 quid watch with some modified software to make it look as if it's doing blood sugar readings. The app itself for this watch is actually quite nice, but all the results what come from this watch, well, they aren't results, are they? It just guesses basically. So yeah, absolutely useless. But on the plus side, they are rather nice straps. So don't buy one of these, don't even touch them. It does absolutely fuck all. And that's this review done. I look forward to your comments because there's a lot of these on the market and I thought I was actually getting a proper one. You know, proper distributor, posh website. Vitanix. So do yourself a favour, just don't bother. That's me, over and out.